Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle. 저는 코리안 엉클입니다. In the Unit 8, we will study greeting, self-introduction, vocabulary, and grammar. Unit 8 is made of Chapter 1 and 4. In the vocabulary part, we will learn basic for names, countries, and occupation. In greeting, we will learn the basics of greeting in Korean. And in the self-introduction part, we will learn how to say hello, nationality, country, and occupation in sentences. In the grammar part, we will learn the elements to make Korean sentences. Okay, good. Now, let's get started. In this time, we will study Korean names and make your foreign names in Korean. Korean names are generally made of 2 to 4 letters. So, let's study Korean names. Most Koreans have the most 3-letter names. There is a reason why the family name is written first in Korea. Because when a baby is born, it is traditionally to use the father's family name. These days, sometimes the mother's family name is used. Look at the picture. This is a 3-letter name. Listen carefully. 송, 중, 기. 송, 중, 기. Have you ever heard Song Joong-ki? He is the main character in the Korean drama Descendants of the Sun. The Korean title is 태양의 후예. 태양의 후예. It is a famous Korean drama, but some people don't know the drama. Song in this name is a family name, and Joong-ki is the first name. Look at the picture. This is a 2-letter name. Listen carefully. 현빈. 현빈. Have you ever heard Hyunbin? He is the main character in the Korean drama Crash Landing on You. The Korean title is 사랑의 불시착. 사랑의 불시착. 현 is a family name and Bin is the first name. Actually, Hyunbin is not his real name. His real name is Kim Tae-pyong. Kim is the family name and Tae-pyong is the first name. Look at the picture. This is a 4-letter name. Listen carefully. 황우슬해. 황우슬해. It's difficult to pronounce it. 해. 해 has a double vowel 예 attached to here. 황우슬해 was a supporting role in Crash Landing on You. 황 in this name is a family name, and 우슬해 is the first name. Actually, 황우슬해 is not real name. Her name is 황진희. 황 is the family name and 진희 is the first name. And Korean names usually have the most 3-letter names, but there are also 2 letters name and 4 letters name. We have learned about Korean names so far. I explained the name of actor who appeared in Korean dramas. So, let's move in the next one. Next, we will try to make your foreign name in Korean. Here are the Korean names of students studying Korean. Like this, you can write and speak your name in Korean. Your country's name may not be mentioned here. However, if you practice changing a name made in foreign language into Korean, you can also try making your name in Korean. Practice changing foreign names to Korean as shown in the table. Then, you'll be able to make your name in Korean. And if you have not studied Korean pronunciation from Unit 1 to Unit 6, I suggest that you study pronunciation first. Then, you will be able to understand more easily. Now, we will change the names of several students to Korean. Now look at the picture on the left. The name is the picture of Korean names that have been changed according to the international notation standards. They have English name and Indian names. Let's take a look, please. Tom. T can be pronounced and written as T in Korean. And O can be changed with O, and M can be changed to Mium. After all, it can be pronounced Tom. Tom. This is an Indian name. Lai. Al can be pronounced as Lil in Korean, and A is pronounced as A. Finally, I is pronounced E. After all, it can be pronounced as Lai. Look at the picture on the right. This is a conversation made by each country in Korea. There is a limit to how the Korean writing system can express all the vocabulary of your country. So, you can find a smaller form here and write your name. So, let's take a look. These are Indonesian and Malaysian names. Aula, A can be pronounced and written as A. And U can be pronounced with U. And R can be pronounced with Lil. Finally, A is pronounced A. After all, it can be pronounced as Aura. Aura. Next. This is a Vietnamese name. Hoang. H can be pronounced and written as Hiet, and O can be pronounced as O, and A can be pronounced as A. Finally, NG is pronounced as O. After all, it can be pronounced as Hoang. Next. This is Spanish. Josefina. J is pronounced here before a vowel, and the last of the spelling is smaller to the English notation. After all, you can say Josefina. Josefina. Then, try writing and pronouncing your name in Korean. Okay, now you can write and speak your name in Korean. I have something to tell you. I think Korean has a standard for writing foreign languages, but when you say your name, you can speak in your original pronunciation. Because even if you can write your name in Korean, but you cannot change your name.
move on each and every
Okay.
day.
This is it out of the
Past is
class.
where it stays.
Next time,
Way back a
we will
year
study
ago.
country names, occupations,
I've
and
changed
pronouns.
for the better
Please
this
look forward to
time.
it. Thank you for watching to
Thought
the
I
end.
would
See you next
never
time.
be fine.
Bye.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.